Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope and I am damn sure that you all are safe at your home because you are taking good care and you all are listening to us. A very shining good morning to all my dear kids, to all my shining stars. Why I am calling you shining stars? Because you all have to shine like sun, like stars. And I pray to God that you all will be healthy and safe at your places. My dear students, nowadays you are learning from home. We are teaching you from home and you are learning from home. So nowadays we can say you are doing home learning because you are learning new things, new chapters from home. So it is online education nowadays we are giving to you, and with the help of these education you will learn new things, new technology. This technology will help you in future. You just think now you are a small child and you are learning new things. You can use Zoom app, you can have your online class now. So because of this technology nowadays you are able to learn, you are able to continue your classes. So let's start our today's class as online class. We were reading chapter number 8, Sid and Suhani watch television. Half of the chapter we had already read. Now half chapter we will complete today. So the last paragraph we read that Sid was about to cry because her mother stopped him to watch his favorite show. And soon Sid's father walked in. As in the picture you can see Sid's father is standing there and he said, "Hey!" He exclaims. Exclaims means when his father saw that they both are watching TV, so he was surprised. He cried, "Look at these couch potatoes." Now, what do you mean by couch potatoes? Couch potatoes used for persons who watch TV for a long time. But Sid and Suhani, they didn't pay attention. Why? Because they both were busy with the cartoon. They are watching cartoon. And then his father said, "Their eyes, that your eyes are glued to the television." As the word is known to you, glue. Glue that you are using for pasting something. So in this way, in the same sentence, his father, he was trying to say that his eyes are glued to the television and they keep watching Doraemon with their eyes wide open. Eyes wide open means surprised. Then his father says, "Sid, why don't you switch off this idiot box? Go out and play." Why his father? He used these words. We will know We never had seen, we never had television sets when we were of your age. Same way, when we were small kids, at that time we were not having TVs at home. So we used to play so many games. Now you children are becoming very lazy. You may ruin your eyes. Ruin means if you will watch TV for too long time, you can destroy your eyes. You will have a problem of eyesight, then you have to go to the doctor. Maybe you will have spectacles. So because of this reason, his father was saying to them, please do not watch TV for a long time. You just go out and play. You may have to wear glasses soon, I am sure. Who said this? Sid's father. Then Sid's mother walks in. She had prepared homemade lemonade for everyone. And this time she says, oh, come on, children. You can play hide and seek, fire and ice outside, or you can play some indoor games. Which game is this? The name of this game is Ludo. And I am sure and I hope so that you all are playing this at home. Earlier we were having a board game. We use board for this game, but nowadays maybe you are using in smartphones. This is Ludo, and the next picture in this you can see a boy. His eyes are closed, are tied with a cloth. So the name of this game is hide and seek. So the same way Sid's mother said to him that you children, you can play hide and seek and fire and ice outside. Indoor games, there are two types of games, indoor and outdoor. Indoor, the games that we can play inside the house, like Ludo, snakes and ladders, and outside games that we can play, outdoor games that we can play outside the house. For example, cricket, football, volleyball, and so many. So this time I have kept a new set of word game called Scrabble for you. But before starting that, you have some lemonade first. And in this picture here you can see they all are sitting together and they are playing a word game. After having lemonade, Sid and Suhani, they jumped up. Why? Because they were happy. They had a new game. Sid says, Mother, we will play Scrabble for some time. You and Daddy also play with us. Please. Suhani adds further. Can we play hide and seek in the garden after that? Sid says, yes, let us all have fun. So this time they all sat down and played Scrabble and clapped for every new word. Each one makes. It is word Scrabble is a game. In this, with the help of different alphabets, we can make a word. So it is giving knowledge to us. And if we will watch television for a long time, our eyes will get affected. So, in this chapter, we learned that we should not watch TV for a long time. We should spend our time in playing games also. Games plays an important role in our life. Why the games are important for us? Because they makes us fit and our physical part that should be good. So, with the help of this chapter, we had learned today that we should play games more instead of watching TVs. So, dear students, you just read the chapter carefully and try to tick the correct answers on your own. If you had read the chapter carefully, you can easily solve the MCQs on your own. Okay? So, only this much for today. We have completed our chapter. Bye bye. Have a nice day.